Now we are unboxing this parcel, so let's quickly start. So let's see what we have in here. So let's quickly open up. Opening, yes. Inside we have some bunch of newspapers. So let's quickly open this. Opening up soon. So here we have another cover. So here we have the items. Actually, I have ordered two different bundles of both are of IG Patel. You can see here IG Patel and this also IG Patel. So sooner these bundles will be on sale on our website. So this is the new collection I wanted to share with you guys. I will update you the purchase link so you can buy these two collections soon on our website. That's all guys. That's all for now. Hit the like button.